I decided to buy a Lenovo M920Q computer on eBay, which cost only $40. I want to build a PC based on it that's good for work and also capable of playing some games. This computer also has built-in Wi-Fi, a LAN port, USB, and a Type-C port. I'm planning to upgrade several components and make this computer about 10 times faster. The M920Q is known for its Q370 chipset. It's a solid chipset that supports 8th and 9th gen Intel processors. It also allows for PCIe expansion, which means you can add a graphics card. The system also came with a 65-watt power supply. Before upgrading, I wanted to see how long it takes to boot into Windows. It took 1 minute and 16 seconds to get to the desktop. I also ran benchmarks for the hard drive, CPU, and integrated GPU. You can see the results on screen. Now, let's disassemble the PC, remove the components, and clean the processor and cooler from the old thermal paste. We'll replace the hard drive with a fast NVMe SSD, the single 8GB RAM stick, with two 16GB sticks. That gives us a total of 32GB of RAM. And the Intel Pentium processor will be replaced with an i5-8600T CPU. The T means lower power consumption and heat, but slightly lower clock speeds. I also bought a Sparkle graphics card based on the Intel chip. It's compact and quite powerful for its size. To connect a GPU to the Lenovo M920Q, you need a special PCIe riser adapter. Sometimes it comes included, but usually it needs to be bought separately. Since we upgraded the CPU and added a GPU, power consumption has increased. So the 65-watt power supply was replaced with a 150-watt adapter. Based on my calculations, the system uses around 90 to 100 watt. So 150 watt is plenty. Be sure to update the BIOS to the latest version. Then tweak the BIOS settings to get the best performance. Now Windows boots in just 20 seconds. We rerun the benchmarks for the SSD, CPU, and GPU. The results are significantly better. We also check how the Intel Arc A310 performs in games. The FPS numbers are shown on screen. To improve cooling, I used a toy building kit as a template, and drilled a hole in the top cover to help hot air escape from the graphics card. And the Intel Pentium processor will be replaced with an i5-8600T CPU successful model. It was produced in large quantities, and it's easy to find on the used market, often available in many different configurations, so anyone can choose one that fits their needs, or get one cheaply and upgrade it, just like I did. After the upgrade, it handles work tasks with ease, and it can even run modern games. I've already built a few of these for myself and for friends, and I'll probably keep building more in the future.